Are you looking for the perfect logo design for your upcoming event? At My Event Artist, we offer a wide range of customizable and downloadable logo designs tailored for various sports and activities, created with precision and flexibility in mind. Here's a breakdown of what we provide to help you find or create the ideal design for your needs. Vector-based designs in Adobe Illustrator. All of our logo designs are crafted using vector format in Adobe Illustrator, ensuring high-quality, scalable graphics suitable for any purpose, from t-shirts to banners. These designs are fully layered, allowing you to tweak or remove elements like text, backgrounds, or sport figures as needed. Whether you're adjusting a baseball logo or a gymnastics design, you have complete control over the final look. Font customization options. While most of our designs feature expanded fonts, meaning they are not live text but shapes, we also offer live font templates for those who prefer to edit text directly. Additionally, we have specific designs with adjustable fonts, making personalization a breeze. Extensive design library. Our extensive collection includes a vast array of downloadable logo designs across numerous categories. From archery and basketball to wrestling and volleyball, we cover a wide range of sports and events. You can explore niche categories like fesh or pickleball, ensuring there's something for everyone. Professional customization services. Need a design tweak or something entirely unique? We've got you covered. If you've purchased a design and require adjustments, our team is ready to assist. For those seeking a bespoke logo, we offer custom design requests to create a design from scratch tailored to your vision. These services ensure your event branding stands out. Additional options and services. Beyond logos, we provide other creative solutions like print-on-demand services and various other design choices. Whether you're looking for event branding or specific sports logos, our resources cater to diverse needs. Discover more with My Event Artist. Ready to find or create your event logo? At My Event Artist, we're dedicated to helping you bring your vision to life with dynamic and unique designs. Whether you're browsing our extensive library, requesting a custom design, or seeking professional assistance, we have the tools and expertise to support your event branding needs. For further assistance, we encourage you to contact us at myeventartist.com/contact us. Dive into our collections or reach out for personalized help today.